How to add another account on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp on a device. Log into your account and you will see you are currently logged into your particular account. So you need to understand WhatsApp limitations. WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct option to add multiple accounts. Instead, you need to log out and log in with another account. So for that, you simply need to head towards phone settings. Scroll down, tap on apps. Now tap app management and using the search bar you need to search WhatsApp. Open it and you will access app info section of WhatsApp. Tap on storage uses and now tap on clear cache. Tap manage space. Once you have done that, you will log out from your particular WhatsApp account. Or simply, if they did not work for you, open WhatsApp, tap three dots, and now select settings. Scroll to the bottom, and now tap account, and now tap add account. Tap add account button, and from here you can easily log into another account and then add multiple account in this way. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.